Hi everyone and welcome back to a tutorial series in IBKR Interactive Brokers. In today's video, we're going to walk through on how to apply for trading permission in options level 2 in Interactive Brokers. If you're into options trading in IBKR and now you're level 1 and now you want to upgrade to level 2, you'll find today's video relevant and helpful for you. And in options level 2, you'll be allowed to trade options with a wider range of strategies like long call, long puts, and etc. So if you haven't signed up for an account in IBKR, you can use my referral link in the description below. And for a step-by-step guide on how to set up your account and also to fund your account if you're from Malaysia using Wise, you can watch my video and the playlist. I'll put the link above and also in the description as well. Before we continue, if you're looking for home decor and home improvement items, we have things you need to improve, beautify and style your living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, study room, guest room, office, balcony, garden and porch. So shop now at IpropFans.com/shop. You can also find the link below and in the description as well. So now on to the tutorial. So now after you log into your IBKR account, go to the man icon on the top right, which is next to help, then click settings. In your settings, go to trading permissions. If you can't find it, it's under the trading section. Then here, you'll see the list of asset classes, products and markets that you can apply to trade in. So for options, I'm currently at level 2. If you're not at level 2, then it should indicate options level 1. To upgrade to level 2, you can click the pencil icon or the add or edit button. Then you have to select the locations you wish to trade options. In this video, we want to trade options level 2 in the United States. So if yours is also checked like in this video, leave it and then continue. Then here, you can select the level of options trading you wish to trade. As mentioned, now I'm in level 2, which means everything in level 1, that means covered call or covered basket call and buy right strategies, plus everything else in level 2. In level 2, you have access to the following strategies as well. Long call, long put,
covered put, protected call, protected put, long straddle, conversion, long call spread, long put spread, long iron collar, long box spread, collar and short collar.
In this video, I won't go into detail into each of the strategies. You can Google them or learn from Investopedia. If you're still in level 1, then you can check level 2 and then click continue. Then you probably see this screen. The investment experiences provided does not meet the requirement to trade options. So you need to indicate how many years of experience you have in stock and options trading, then how many trades you did on average per year, and then what is your knowledge level in the trading area. So one suggestion to increase your chances of getting approved for the trading permissions in options is to have some years of experience in options, did some number of trades, and have good knowledge of the subject matter. Then click continue. Then you probably need to sign a document. As I've already been approved for options level 2, I'm just showing you what I can recall from memory, the process to get applied and approved. Then your application will be sent for review and you should hear back from IBKR within a few hours or within a few business days at most. Then if and when your trading permission has been approved, in your trading page, you should see that your options level is now level 2. So that's about it in options level 2 trading permission in IBKR. And then there are higher and more options trading strategies in IBKR. You want to stick around for more, so you can also hit the subscribe button below to stay updated and notified on future videos and tutorials in this IBKR series. Or maybe you'd like to learn more about investing, finance and real estate and also home and living products as well. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.